What is up, beautiful people? This is Simar. Welcome to my YouTube channel World from a Lens. And the beautiful looking speaker that you see in front of you is the Bose Soundlink Revolve Plus. So now you know what is this video all about. And if you are someone who is new to my channel, I make unbiased reviews of products that I use personally so that you know which product is the best for yourself. Now, this beautiful looking Bose Soundlink Revolve Plus was first introduced in April 2017 and it is still gaining popularity amongst the buyers. I personally got this speaker for 23,000 rupees earlier this year because I believe the best review can only come through someone who personally buys or uses a product for a good amount of time and share their views on it. So is this speaker value for money? Let's find out in the video without wasting any time. Now, talking about its build quality, it is quite durable and it is bump resistant. So don't worry if you accidentally drop it. It has these soft rubber material on the top and the bottom of it, and the body is made up of aluminum. It has also got this fabric handle so that you can carry it around comfortably and feels quite sturdy. And the thing to keep in mind is that the smaller version of the speaker does not come with this handle. And now talking about the way it looks, it absolutely looks stylish and modern. And like I said, it has got this rubber on the bottom and the top of it, and the body is made up of rigid and smooth aluminum. It has got IPX4 certification. It is resistant to water splashes from any direction. So, it cannot be fully submerged into the water. It's not waterproof like the other Bluetooth speaker in the market, for example, JBL Extreme 2. But yeah, it does the job well. Now moving on to the most exciting part of this video, and I'm sure you might be waiting for it. In my opinion, the sound quality of the speaker is quite good, and I was actually surprised after listening to the sound of it as compared to the size of the speaker. It has got deep, clear and loud sound. It plays 360-degree audio and you can listen to that music from any direction with the same quality. And comparatively, we don't get that on the JBL Extreme 2 because it does not have that 360-degree speaker setup. The mid-range of the speaker itself is very clear and I haven't experienced any poor quality or fatigue in the audio. High frequencies are also good and loud so that you can get that balanced sound throughout the audio. It definitely works well in larger rooms as well, and you can also connect two Revolve Plus speakers to get that surround sound effect. Now talking about its functionality, Bose has included 6 buttons: the power button, Bluetooth button, volume down and up button, multifunction button and the mode button. One of the best features that I like is that it comes with the LED battery indicator, where green light means the battery is equal to 70% or more than that. Yellow light means the battery is between 20% to 70%, and red light is that the battery is below 20%. The buttons themselves feels quite premium and it has got that rubber effect. You can also use this multi-function button to access Siri and Google Assistant. Now Bose claims that the battery life of this speaker is 16 hours, which is equal to JBL Extreme 2, and in my opinion this is quite good if you're traveling and you want to listen to some music. Now after talking about its functionality, the way it looks and the durability, let me also show you the other two best features that I like about this speaker. You can wirelessly charge it and it has also got this tripod holder. So in my conclusion, the build quality of this speaker is absolutely good. It has got good design and impressive stylish looks. Some of the features like LED battery indicator, water resistance and wireless charging make this speaker a good value for money. And the main feature that makes this speaker stand out from the other Bluetooth speaker is the surround sound speaker setup. And in my personal opinion, I would any day prefer Bose over JBL because I like the way this is built, and definitely I'm loving the 360-degree speaker setup. But keeping in mind the points that cannot be avoided about Extreme 2 is that it has got good bass and it is waterproof. But again, in my opinion, the Bose has got a little bit of everything. And guys, this video is all about my thoughts and my opinion about the speaker when it is compared to the other Bluetooth speakers, but it might vary individually. Last but not the least guys, this video is not sponsored by Bose, and these are my thoughts and my opinion, which might vary according to the individuals. And also to let you know guys, there are tons of cover for this Bluetooth speaker. I got this silicone rubber cover from AliExpress. It was hardly for about 400 rupees. You can get it online for yourself too. And I have also got another hard case for the speaker, just in case I'm carrying it around somewhere outdoors. I don't want to damage this. So this is another hard case that I got it from AliExpress. It has got this soft handle. You can also get it from AliExpress for somewhere about 800 to 900 rupees. So definitely comment down below guys and let me know what Bluetooth speaker you like and what features do you like and what would you prefer and why. And if you have any questions about this Bluetooth speaker, as I have used it for a very good amount of time, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below, and I will definitely try to get in touch with you guys. And that's all for today's video guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.